Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 11 Pro, and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection and then enter the Play Store. If you do not have your Google account added to the device, you will have to sign in right now, or simply create the account and then tap on the circle, which is your account basically. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. Here we've got the list of all currently installed apps, and after tapping on Updates Available, we can check which one can be updated. So if you want to, you can mark all of them. If not, just find the apps and mark them. So let me pick this one and maybe Google Meet, and then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see right now, your device will download the updates, and after that they will be applied and the apps will be updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.